In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset zoom to 100% in Google Sheets on desktop. If your spreadsheet looks a bit too large or too tiny, restoring it to actual size is a quick way to improve readability. Keep your columns aligned on screen and make your view consistent with teammates and screenshots. Start by opening Google Sheets on your desktop. It can be any spreadsheet, new or existing, and you'll see the same viewing controls regardless of the file you're in. Give the sheet a moment to load so the interface is fully ready. Now look toward the bottom right corner of the screen. That's where the zoom control lives. You'll see a zoom indicator showing a percentage, something like 75%, 100%, or 125%, along with a small control you can click. This percentage reflects how large or small the content is being displayed in your current view without changing your actual data or formatting. Click directly on that percentage. When you do, a drop-down menu appears with preset zoom options. These presets make it easy to jump to common sizes without guessing. You might see options like 50%, 75%, 100%, 125%, and so on. If you've been working zoomed in or zoomed out, this menu is the fastest way to get back to a reliable baseline. From the drop-down, select 100%. Choosing 100% returns the sheet to true size, so what you see on your screen closely matches the intended scale. This is especially helpful if you need to check column widths, verify alignment, or capture screenshots that others can compare accurately on their own devices. Once you select 100%, the zoom level immediately updates. You'll notice the cells, text, and grid lines snap back to standard proportions. Your data hasn't changed, only the way it's displayed on your screen. This zoom setting is personal to your view, which means other people viewing the same spreadsheet won't be affected by your choice. A quick tip for clarity. This is the Google Sheets zoom, which applies to the sheet's content area. It's different from your web browser's zoom, which would enlarge the entire interface. If the toolbar, menus, and everything else look oversized, that's a sign the browser zoom is active rather than the sheet's zoom. And that's all it takes. Open your spreadsheet, head to the bottom right corner, click the percentage, pick 100%, and your view resets to actual size. With your zoom calibrated, you'll find it easier to work precisely, share consistent screenshots, and review layouts with confidence. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, clearer view in Google Sheets.